my channel Codino Gamers. So guys, in the previous video we do the first chapter sequence and up to sixth activity we are done. So in this video we will done up to seventh. We will start from seventh activity. So let's see. This is the seventh activity and let's see. So first see the instructions. There are 20 pieces of treasure in this cave. Collect at least 10 to finish the challenge. Here you can see the treasures are purple. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8 and 2, 10. Okay. Here also 10 treasures are there. Here also 10 treasures are there. Okay. So 20. But we have to collect 10 treasures only. Okay. Here you can see gold 10. Okay. So first of all we have to collect only one side. Means there are two sides. So we have to collect any one side. Okay. So the girl is standing here. So first I have to give the instruction to the girl to move forward 2 times. Okay. Then after that she had to turn left. Right, from here she had to turn left. After that move forward 1 time. Okay. Then collect 4 times. Okay, because it's still repeating in the previous video only. I had told you that if it is repeating continuously, then we can use the repeat loop. So I will use the repeat loop, and here 1 collect. So this collect block will be repeatedly 4 times. Okay. So collect 4 treasures we have to collect. After that we have to move forward. Yeah, move forward. After moving forward we have to again turn left. Okay. After that again move forward. Now collect 1 time, because here you can see 1. The treasure, beside the treasure is written 1. So 1 time only we have to collect. Okay. So after that collect 1 time. After that move forward again 1 time, and again move forward another time. Then we have to collect 3 times. That you can see beside the treasure is written 3. Okay. So I will use the repeat loop. Here I will select 3 times and I will keep here the collect block. Okay. So after collecting up to here, so I have to collect up to here, right? So first again move forward, then again turn left. After that again move forward. Okay. So again move forward. After that I have to collect 2 times. Okay. Here you can see 2 times. So I am not using the repeat loop because this is same only, because this is repeat loop is 1 block and this is 1 block. So 2 blocks are only used. Okay. So I simply do 2 blocks. Okay. So after that I reach up to this. So here this rotation I do fully, and here there are 10 treasures. So let's run and see if we had collected 10 treasures or not. Okay. So yeah guys, we had collected finally 10 treasures, and this activity is over, 7th activity. So now let's do the 8th activity, which is the student activity 6 and reverse, but if we count by ourselves it's 8. Okay. So let's see the instructions. The bird needs your help, the pig is hiding, and the goal is to find it. Okay. So this red pig had to find this green pig. Okay. So let's see. When run, move forward. Yeah, the red pig is here first. She had to, means it have to move forward 3 times. Okay, right? So I will just use the repeat loop, and I will give it 3 times. Okay. And move forward command here I will give. So the move forward command will be repeatedly 3 times. Okay. So after that it had to turn right. After turning right it had to move forward 1 time. The red pig had to move forward 1 time. After moving forward it had to turn left. Okay. Turn left. Yeah. Come here, turn left. After that move forward 3 times. Right. So let's use the repeat loop. 3, and here move forward command. After moving forward 3 times, just a second, 1 2, sorry, it will be not 3 times, it will be 2 times. Okay. So I can use the repeat loop also, or I can just use move forward 2 times, because it's same only. It will involve 2 blocks only, so no problem. I'm using the repeat loop only. Okay, so after moving forward 2 times, yes, the pig will move forward 2 times and it will come in this position. So after coming in this position, it had to turn right. It had to turn right, and after that it will be this. After that, it had to move forward 2 times. So 1 time and again 1 time. After that, it had to turn right again. After turning right, it will be in this direction, in this position, and then move forward 2 times. Okay. So move forward 1 time, again 1 time. Sorry. Yeah. So now let's run and see if we are correct. So yeah guys, we are correct, and yeah, so let's do the 9th activity. So this is the 9th activity, very easy. So let's do it firstly, and 10 treasures we have to collect. Here are 5, 1, 6 and 4, 10. Okay, so there collect us 3 treasures we have to collect after that. Okay, so move forward 1 time and again another time, then we have to collect 2 times. Okay, so 1 time and again 1 time, because here you can see beside the treasure is written 2. Okay, so after collecting 2 times, again we have to move forward 2 times, 1 time and again 1 time. After that we have to collect only 1 time, because beside that treasure is written 1, and we have to collect 1 time. So again move forward 1 time, then we have to turn right. After that move forward 1 time, then we have to collect 4 times. So we will use the repeat loop and select number 4 here and collect. So let's see if we are correct. Let's run and see. So yeah guys, we are correct, and let's do the next activity, which is practice activity 1. Okay, so yeah, so let's do the next activity. So here I have clicked. So here is a video, no need to do that. So we have to select a character. It's Minecraft puzzle. So my character have to reach this brown box, so it have to move forward 3 times. Yeah, let's see, let's run and see. So yeah guys, it's finally reached to that brown box. Let's do the next activity, and yeah, it have to reach to the boat. So move forward 1 time, turn right 1 time, move forward 3 times. Okay, so here is not, the repeat loop is not present in the blocks, so have to just repeat it 3 times only without using the repeat loop. So let's run and see if we are correct. So yeah guys, we are correct. So let's do the 3rd activity. So it is a little bit difficult to see the blocks, but yeah, here 1, 2, 4 blocks. Let's say I have to means we have to run and see that if it is correct, because it is in the sea. Let's run and see. Okay, so 2 blocks is needed more. Okay, so let's do again, and I am telling that after run we had seen that is after there. Then if you do again like this doing, so here you can see your code may have changed. Click reset and then run to run your code again. So when you will again means correct this, if there is any wrong run, so we have to click in the reset, otherwise it will not change. Okay, so let's see 2 blocks. Now let's run and see. Yeah, so guys, we are correct. We have done the 11th activity also. There are 3 reference videos, so we will not do that. We will only do the activities. So let's do the 12th activity. So now this is the 12th activity coming. this is something that this activity I also was not able I was also not able to understand this activity. Okay, so we will not do these two activities. Okay, additional activity 3 and additional activity 4, because this is the 12th and 13th activity. So up to 11th activity we are done, and our sequence chapter is also fully completed. And these two activities I will see, if I know that understand how to do that, then I will understand you people also. Okay, so for now this chapter sequence is completed. So yeah, those who did not subscribe my channel, and if those who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to see more videos, and please give a like if you like this video. Okay, please give a like and share this video to all of you, and yeah, share this video to all peoples, and yeah, bye, see you in the next time.